Step 1. Access the listing editor. First, log into your occasion workspace. Click on Listings on the left side bar menu. Next, click on My Templates, then select Create Listing on the template titled Use this for classes that meet one time. This will take you to the listing editor. Step 2. Enter basic class information. Now, let's fill in the class details. Start with the name, for example, Beginner Ice Skating Class. In the class description, write something fun, like join us for a thrilling introduction to ice skating, perfect for all ages. Or you can use the Occasion AI button to help you draft a description. Select Class from the Event Type drop-down menu and choose your checkout version. Step 3. Upload images. Next, let's showcase your Rink with some great images. Click on the Images tab, then hit Upload Image. Upload up to 5 action shots of skaters or your Rink to attract more attendees. Using high quality images, especially from Unsplash, can make your listing pop. Step 4. Schedule your class. Now, let's schedule the class. On the Time Slot tab, click Add New Time Slot. Select the date and enter the start and end times. Remember to save the details. Step 5. Set class availability. Head over to the Availability tab and enter the maximum number of attendees you can accommodate. If you can host 20 skaters, enter 20. Step 6. Build your roster. Let's gather attendee information. Go to the People tab and locate the Attendee Information section. Check the boxes for first name, last name, and age. Then click Save Attendee Information to confirm. Step 7. Additional pricing. If you need to charge sales tax, click on the Additional Pricing tab. For an 8% tax rate, just enter 8 in the sales tax field and save your changes. Step 8. Set pricing question. Finally, let's add a pricing question. Scroll down and click Add Question. Select Fixed Attendee Pricing and enter the title, the price per attendee, and specify the maximum quantity available. And there you go. You've created a one-time skating class in your Occasion workspace.